Hey everyone, it's Carol. Today I'm going to show you a couple of things that I received in the mail. Really cool. Stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just click it. It'll turn gray and then hit the bell and you'll be subscribed. And don't forget to share it. Share it with your friends. And here we go. First up is Jin Amber Beauty. Now, Jin Amber has a beauty YouTube channel, and I'll put her link down below. She has her own company. They aren't just a store that sells skincare tools and products. They embody a philosophy of effective, natural, as organic as possible products that cultivate the healthiest, most luminous, and youthful skin you can possibly have. She holds her standards very high, and she has made one of the best derma rollers there is on the market. I am here to attest to that. Now I'm going to show you some more pictures of her and where on her body she derma rolls. She derma rolls all over her body. She does her scalp, her face, her legs, and her stomach. We have a sheet mask. We have an eye treatment mask, and they have tiny little micro needles in them. And then there's a vitamin C serum and a natural peptide serum. Plus many more. She's got many more products on her website. Her products are formulated without parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, triclosan, sodium, lauryl sulfates, and gluten. Now for the derma rollers. I have been purchasing Jin Amber's derma rollers for a long time, and the ones you see there, those are actually the ones that I've purchased. I get the 0.25 and the 0.50. And I want to show you the difference, why hers surpass all the others. First of all, hers are made of real needles. Now the following derma roller I'm going to show you is a fake one. Now you see this fake one? This is not made of real needles. It is a metal wheel with points sticking out that are shaped in a triangular form, so it will rip your skin. Do not use a derma roller that looks like this. Instead, let me show you Jin Amber's. This is Jin Amber's rollers. Do you see all the needles? They are individually placed in the roller, and this is exactly what hers looks like, and this is why I buy hers. Years ago, I didn't know. And then when she came out with this video, and I'll put this video linked below for you, you will see it in full action. These are some of the products that she has for sale on her website. And actually, this is exactly what she sent me. Jin Amber is also letting me have a giveaway for one of her derma rollers. So all you have to do is leave a comment and you will be entered to my giveaway. So because it's a giveaway, I cannot reply to any of your comments. I don't want you to think I'm being rude or ignoring you. I will give you a heart, I will give you a thumbs up, and I will read your comment a few times because it makes me feel good to read them. But because it's a giveaway, I cannot comment. And the reason for that is in Random Picker. Random Picker takes all the comments, and I don't want my replies to your comments to intrude on the order of the winner. So thank you so much, Jin Amber. I appreciate you. I think you are just a fabulous esthetician, and my viewers will be happy to join in on the giveaway. Next product was sent to me by sleep&glow. I ripped off the top of the box and threw it away already, so I am saving this part. This pillow is made of the softest memory foam I've ever felt. And I have a memory foam on top of my bed. This is beyond compare. It also is scooped out so your neck and your ear doesn't have compression, and it doesn't promote wrinkles, and your eyelashes don't get crushed. And it has a scoop in the center. The pillow came with its own pillowcase, but I put my special pillowcase on it. This is what I put on my all my pillows that I sleep with my face. It's a standard pillowcase, and it's called N-Cool, and it's by Aki Home. This is the pillow, and I have been sleeping on it, so if it looks wrinkled, that's why. It's heavy, it's squishy. Look at this, squishy. Ooh, it's like a big squishy. This is the back. And the pillowcase opens up in the back. And then you have your memory foam. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's a face cradle right here for sleeping on your side. A zone for head positioning. An upper head support. If you put this behind you, that's a great support. It's a neck support and a shoulder cradle. Its special anatomical shape, the Sleep and Go pillow, minimizes facial skin indentation, helps prevent sleep wrinkles, and reduce morning swelling and marks caused by contact with pillow. By sleeping on this, you develop younger looking skin, puffiness reduction, deep sleep, natural care, perfect eyelashes, advanced materials, memory foam adjusts to your face shape. The orthopedic effect, Sleep and Glow, is developed in collab with orthopedists to provide you with the physiologically correct body positioning during sleep. It contains silver ions. Our pillow's material has bacteriostatic, antiviral, and antifungal effects. Its natural fabric bundle includes a pillowcase made of 100% organic fabric tencel, which is a eucalyptus fiber. There's a pillow warranty on it for 2 years. Now, when I have too much pressure on my ear hurts like crazy. And when I crush my face against the pillow, that's what happens. I have to push it back. So I will put my cool pillowcase over it. And because there is a scoop out here, see the scoop? I just lay my head here. And my ear goes in the scoop, and wow. There's like no pressure on your face, on your lashes, on your cheeks, on your ear, nothing. Then when I want to lay on my back, it's so comfortable. It's really like a big squishy. Look at that. And I'm a memory foam fanatic. Everything has to be memory foam in my house. My bed, my pillows, my couch pillows. Okay, so we put this on. I just like a double protection. So I like to keep both of them on. I just put on my cool pillowcase, and here you see are the cutouts, and here's the scoop, and I can sleep in any position that I want. Back, side, stomach. I'm really happy with this pillow, and I just want to thank Sleep and Glow for sending it to me. Thank you to Jin Amber for doing this giveaway, and all links and discounts will be below. If you're interested in any of these products, you can check them out and use my link below with the discount codes. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you being here, and let's pray for the world. It's in such a mess, but we must carry on, right? We must carry on. Let's pray for each other. Let's just be nice to the people next to us, and then they'll be nice to the people next to them, and then they'll be nice, and so on and so on, and maybe it'll go around the world. Have a great week, a great day. I love you all.